In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see when you started following someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. Now here at the top we need to tap at following, and then we need to search for a person here for which we would like to see the date when we started following that user and when they started following us. Once you find that user, hit right here at three dots and then select See Shared Activity. After that, you will be taken to that screen where at the middle here you will find when this user started following you and when you started following that user. If the user does not following you back, it will show here just the information when you started following that user. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.